Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to connect to Wi-Fi network on Redmi 15. Let's begin. First, you want to expand your control center, and you can do it just like that. Then you want to press and hold onto the Wi-Fi icon. Then, make sure that it's actually enabled. If it's enabled, you should see a nice list of networks right next to your area. And then you want to simply choose your network. I will choose this one. And now you want to input the password, or alternatively, you can scan a password from somebody who is already connected to that network. So for example, a family member or a work coworker or like a friend or whatever. But I will simply input my password. And if the password is correct, you should see that after clicking connect, we are now connected. And as you can see, we do have a nice internet access. And to be honest, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.